trial of Kyle Rittenhouse. 500 Wisconsin National Guard troops are reporting for duty ahead of next week's anticipated verdict.
And today in court, attorneys for both the state and Rittenhouse met with Judge Bruce Schroeder to finalize jury instructions. Prosecutors want the judge to include lesser charges in some of those counts. The defense made some objections, and the judge will make the final decision over the weekend.
I think about this one, my inclination at this moment, but if it shows up on your doorstep, your email doorstep tomorrow at some point, and it isn't in there, don't be terribly surprised.
The jury is off today, but it returns Monday morning at 9 to receive the final instructions.
We want to bring in attorney Jonathan LaVoy, who has been providing context throughout this trial for us. And Jonathan, so let's look ahead to next week, those closing arguments. What's at stake for both sides? Today, as you know, the prosecution asked for and was granted the opportunity to allow the jury to consider if Rittenhouse provoked one of the men he killed. What does this mean, and how will it impact the closing arguments?
Well, this was really important for the state. It's the concept that a person can't provoke an attack and then claim self-defense. So the judge is going to instruct the jury on this, it appears, unless he changes his mind. And this allows the state to say that Mr. Rosenbaum essentially was chasing Mr. Rittenhouse because he was provoked, and that Mr. Rittenhouse was not allowed to use self-defense. So it gives the state a chance. And I think it's a slim chance, but at least they have an argument now.
And also, Jonathan, Kyle Rittenhouse spent most of the day on the stand Wednesday actually defending his decision to use deadly force. Now, the jury, of course, will have the ultimate decision. So what key points do you believe his attorney needs to make in closing?
Well, the defense has done a good job, and they have a cohesive strategy so far, but they have to focus on the burden of proof and the presumption of innocence. They have to make sure the jury understands that they don't have to prove Mr. Rittenbaum or Mr. Rittenhouse innocent. They have to establish that there's not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. So it really comes down to instructing the jury that the burden falls solely in the state. And I think next week is going to be really, really interesting.
Yeah, just quick second here. On those instructions, the jury will be given the instructions that will be able to go into the jury room with them, and that's their blueprint, right?
That's correct. They're the marching orders for the jury. It outlines what the law is and what they must do in their deliberations. And they will get a copy of those instructions, and that's their guide book for how they approach the jury deliberations.
Very interesting. Jonathan LaVoy, thank you for joining us every night and giving us your expertise. And Jonathan LaVoy will be joining us every night at 6 o'clock during the trial to give us his analysis of the day's proceedings as well as testimony.